pertanyaan yang sering ditanyakan juga, the definition of cash flow. Ya. Kalau misalkan Anda ditanyakan what is cash flow, you can say that cash flow is the net amount of cash and cash equivalents moving into and out of a business. So, cash flow is the net amount of cash and cash equivalent moving into and out of a business. Jadi kalau ditanya, cash flow itu adalah jumlah bersih kas setara dengan kas pindah yang masuk dan keluar dalam suatu bisnis. Jadi uang yang masuk dan keluar dalam suatu bisnis. So, kan namanya cash flow. So, the cash flow is the net amount of cash equivalent moving into and out of a business. Into and out of business. So, if they ask you about cash flow, there is inflow and outflow. Inflow such as loan, capital, net profit, and then outflow, machine, equipment, furniture, other civil works, payment, principal loan, pre-operating expense. Cash flow is inflow, net cash inflow minus outflow. Okay, cash flow is net cash inflow minus outflow. Okay, so the terminology of cash flow is amount of cash and cash equivalents moving into and out of the business. Ya, jadi kalau ditanya what is break-even point, break-even point is the point at which total cost and total revenue are equal. Ya, break-even point is the point at which total cost and total revenue are equal. Itu aja. Jadi artinya break-even point itu adalah suatu titik di mana total biaya dan total pemasukan sama. Yeah. That's the meaning of break-even. So the break-even point is the point between cost and revenue is equal. A point that cost and revenue equal. If they ask about what is the formulation of break-even point, break-even point is fixed cost divided by contribution margin ratio. Fixed cost divided by contribution margin ratio. If they ask what is contribution margin ratio, fixed cost what is contribution margin ratio? Is sales minus variable cost divided by sales. Okay, so I repeat, break-even point is fixed cost divided by contribution margin ratio. And what is contribution margin ratio? Sales minus variable cost divided by sales. Sales minus variable cost divided by sales. That's break-even point sales. What about break-even point unit? Break-even unit is break-even point sales divided by price of the product. Balance sheet. You can say balance sheet is a financial statement that summarizes a company asset, liabilities, and shareholder equity at a specific point in time. I repeat, balance sheet is a financial statement that summarizes a company asset, liability, and shareholder equity at a specific point in time. Jadi balance sheet adalah laporan keuangan yang mengintisarikan aset perusahaan, kewajiban, dan pemegang saham ya pada kurun waktu tertentu. Kemudian kalau sekiranya Anda ditanya, explain about the balance sheet. There is two kind that we have to balance in balance sheet. First is asset and then liability. So balance sheet is explain about asset of company, summarize ya, ringkasan dari aset yang dimiliki oleh perusahaan, harta yang dimiliki oleh perusahaan, and liabilities of the company atau dan kewajiban dari perusahaan. Asset, there is current asset and non-current asset. What the meaning of current asset? Current asset itu adalah harta tetap, ya. Non-current, harta lancar. Kalau non-current asset adalah harta tetap. What inside the current asset? Cash, account receivable, material inventory, work in process, and finished good inventory. What inside the non-current asset? Everything company asset like machine, equipment, furniture, etc. What about liability? What inside liability? Account payable, right? And then capital. Remember what the formula of capital beginning? Project cost minus loan minus pre-operating expenses. Okay, so balance sheet is a financial statement that summarizes a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity at a specific point of time.